Tired of money causing more arguments than date nights? Let's transform your finances from a battlefield into a shared victory with YNAB. Today, we're diving into how couples can conquer their financial goals together using You Need a Budget. First, create a single, shared YNAB budget. Log in and click on the name of your budget at the top and select Create New Budget from the drop-down menu. Next, decide on your categories. Talk openly about your priorities. Do you need a dedicated dining out category? Or is a general fun money category enough? Add those categories by clicking on Add a Category Group, then filling out the necessary information. Setting goals is next. YNAB's goals feature keeps you aligned. Click on a category. Then select Create a Target to save a certain amount. Choose Target Category Balance by Day for saving a certain amount by a deadline. Or monthly funding goal for contributions you plan on making on a recurring basis. It is as simple as that. Regularly review YNAB's reports. This is the perfect time for a weekly budget check. In the income v expense chart will show your cash flow. These reports provide a neutral ground to examine spending patterns and celebrate wins as a team. Navigate to that through the Reports button on YNAB's main menu. Remember, open communication is key. YNAB is just a tool. The real magic happens when you and your partner openly discuss your financial dreams and challenges, building a stronger connection along the way by establishing shared budget categories, setting financial goals together, and communicating openly about spending habits. You and your partner can improve your financial harmony and achieve shared financial objectives. Ready to take control of your finances as a couple? Check out the links in the description for more resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YNAB tips and tricks.